Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Aws Easily updated. Start by setting a clear goal and pick one certification or core skill to focus on, then block small study sessions daily. Use hands-on labs to practice each concept and reinforce learning quickly. Review with short quizzes and flashcards, and adjust your schedule based on weak areas to keep momentum and avoid burnout. Use the AWS free tier to experiment with services and build confidence through doing. Start small by launching an EC2 instance or hosting a static site on S3, and then connect services to see how they interact. Treat each lab as a mini project with a clear goal, document steps, and save notes for troubleshooting later. This practical approach fast-tracks understanding and keeps learning engaging. Mix formats: watch concise videos, read docs for clarity, and use cheat sheets for quick reference. Schedule-focused, timed study blocks with practice exams to simulate real test conditions and improve recall. Engage in a study group or online forum to ask questions and learn from others' mistakes. Regularly revisit tough topics and teach concepts allowed to reinforce retention and ensure long-term success in AWS learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.